Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. I'm doing a short video clip tonight following a video I posted not so long ago by the name of White Horses Cure Hiccups. The remedy is not really a cure for oneself, but a cure or a fix for hiccups for someone else. So it's something that you can try or do to help someone else get rid of their hiccups. So let's get to it. It really is so easy. All you're going to do is when the person has hiccups, doesn't matter how long they've had it, whether they've just started or whether they've been battling for a while, you're going to ask them one question. And that question is, when last did you see a white horse? When last did you see a white horse? Now, they may look at you all puzzled. What do you mean? And you're going to ask them, when last did you see a white horse? When? Can you remember? They will start thinking. And their first response may be, oh, I can't remember. Now, the trick is you've got to keep their minds busy with thinking about when last did they see a white horse. The person may try and drift off back into a discussion or talk about something else, and you've just got to keep bringing them back to the question. But you don't want to make it too obvious because they may catch on to you, and obviously then it's not going to work. So the whole idea is they think about a white horse, and you help them along by maybe saying something like, yeah, I saw a white horse yesterday and it was so beautiful. I was driving and the next moment it was galloping next the road and I had to stop and take a picture. Fascinated by white horses, whatever, just get their thoughts going. Let them picture that white horse and with, again, as I say, not being too obvious, keep bringing them back to when last did you see a white horse. So again, remember, you are trying not to sound obvious because you don't want the person to know that you are actually trying something to help them with their hiccups. And just help them. Let that thought process go along, go along, go along. And 2 minutes, if that, into the thinking process, they would have forgotten about their hiccups. Trust me, it just works. It's crazy, it's unique, but it works. And you could then actually say to them, hey, guess what? Your hiccups are gone. You need to try and get them to think long and hard about something. And giving the white horses a go is usually your best bet because I guess white horses, for most people anyway, is something rare and not something that they see every day. Look, there is a good chance that you may say, when last did you see a white horse? And they may say, oh, well, I saw one today, I saw one yesterday, in which case it's not going to work. But then you can obviously move on to something else. But give the white horses a go. It's probably about a 70% success ratio. Well, I hope that helps and give it a go. It is pretty amazing. I haven't Googled the exact reason why this remedy works. Obviously, it's the thinking process that makes you forget about your hiccups. So if you know the real psychological answer, then please put it in comments and let's read what's the real reason. Why do white horses cure hiccups? Take care and have a lovely day. Bye.